Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. O'Hare, and I'm really excited to share with you that First in Math is back up and running. You'll get there a little bit differently now. On your math course page, your teacher has added a link for you. It will look something similar to this. It'll say First in Math, and it might have an image that you can click on. Sometimes you might get this funny looking message. That's okay. Click the top link and it will open First in Math for you. First in Math will pop up and it will have a wheel that looks like this. If you're in kindergarten, first or second grade, you'll click early K2. If you're in third grade, you'll click elementary. When I click that, it opens up my hub. The hub here is a link to all of the different games that I can play in First in Math. We'll get to that in just a second. Over here on the right is my goals index. This is really important. See that number in the middle there of my circle? I want to see that grow every day. Right now I have 2.6. I want to make that number grow and increase even higher. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to see what I still need to work on. When I click, I can see, well, I have this bar filled in right here for 2. That means I've completed all of my addition facts with the addend of 2. I can now work on anything else in here that isn't filled in yet. I think I'll go back to 1 and start on that. So I'll click 1 and it'll bring me right to a game. If you're not sure how to play a game, at the bottom here it always clicks, or you can always click and it'll tell you how to play. It says show me how to play. You can click and it'll help you learn how to play the game. For this game I have a sum of 6 and I need to pick which 2 addends give me 6. Well, 5 plus 1 I know gives me 6. And as I keep playing, I can complete a round and earn stickers. And it'll take me back to the hub. Look, my number already grew from 2.6 to 4.2. And now I can select something else in here to play, or I can go back to my goals index. Look, I completed 1 and 2 now. I'm going to move on to 3. And I'm going to keep working. I hope you check out First in Math and start to really help your goals index grow. Let your teacher know if you have any questions. Thanks.